Assalamu alaikum. This is the lecture series of Discrete Homotopy Theory. So today I will define the definition of internal Hom tensor, Hom tensor x comma y. Okay. So today I will define the definition of Hom tensor x comma y, where x is a graph and y is another graph. Okay. So what is the definition of Hom tensor x comma y? Basically, Hom tensor x comma y is a graph. This is a graph. So what type of graph? What is the definition of graph? According to the definition of graph is an ordered pair of two sets, vertices, set of vertices and set of edges. Set of vertices and set of edges. What type of set of edges set? A set of edges set is a subset of V cross P. Okay, this type of this is the definition of shortly define a graph. Definition of graph. So what is the set of vertices of this graph and what is the set of edges of this graph? Okay, so first of all, define the set of vertices of Hom tensor x comma y. So set of vertices is equal to graph x comma y. Okay, what is the set of vertices? Means all the graph homomorphisms from all the set of uh, all the graph homomorphisms from x to y. These set are the vertices set of this graph. Okay, so the set of vertices of Hom tensor x comma y graph is set of all the set of graph homomorphisms from x graph to y graph. Okay, so now let's define edges, set of edges. So Hom tensor x comma y edge set is equal to f comma g, means these type of edges where f comma g are the graph homomorphisms from graph homomorphisms from Hom tensor x comma y vertex set. Okay, means these two are vertices. So f comma g means there is an edge from f to g such that if f comma g belongs to graph this set from graph homomorphisms from x to y such that comma f is not equal to g, and for all x belongs to x, either f of x is equal to g of x or f of x edge with g of x. For this condition hold for all x belongs to x. Okay, this is the set of set of edges of Hom tensor x comma y graph. Okay, so again I define this set. So I define today in this lecture I define the internal Hom tensor x comma y. This is the graph, and what is the vertices? Vertices sets are all the graph homomorphisms from x to y, and what is the edges? How we can edge from one vertex to another vertex if these two are belongs to the this set, and f is not equal to g, and for all x belongs to x graph. Okay, either f of x is equal to g of x and f of x is should be edge with g of x for all x belongs to x. This is the edge set of this Hom tensor x comma y graph. Okay, this is this definition Hom tensor x comma y, Hom tensor x comma y graph is equal to should be equal to should be equal to the should be equivalent to the definition. There is a graph map from I1 to Hom tensor x comma y, Hom tensor x comma y such that such that if we substitute 0, we will get f, and if we substitute 1, we will get g. So we can say f is adjacent to g and there is an edge between f comma g, or equivalent if there exists a graph homomorphism from x box product with I1 to y such that h of dash comma 0 is equal to f for all I belongs to for all x belongs to x, and h of dash comma 1 we will get g for all x belongs to x. Okay, so this is the graph, and this is these two definitions are equivalent to the H definition of the internal Hom tensor x comma y. Okay, so I will explain next topics in next videos. Please subscribe my channel, share and like. Okay, Allah Hafiz.